Hi guys, welcome back. And on this channel, we sometimes talk about traveling, lifestyle, DIY, and budgeting like this video right here. So in this video, we are actually going to be setting up and creating my savings challenges and savings binder. So this is how it looks. I did purchase this binder from Michaels. It was on clearance for $5. They're getting rid of this line. I'm not too sure why, and I'm not too sure what size this is either. So I kind of guesstimate when I do the whole bunches because I don't know the size. But it did come with these pretty month dividers. So this is January, then it has February all the way up until December. So I love that. And I did purchase some like inserts at Michael's. This one here's like a budget insert. We're gonna go to the month of May. We're gonna be doing the Budget Moms Savings Challenge each month. And so for the month of May, I did print out this month's challenge. So we're gonna be creating a word on today, May 5th, and then again on May 20th. So I have the words here. So we'll do that in a little bit and we'll see what words we come up with. But I just want to go over all the things that I did. So I did make myself some cash envelopes, one for house to home, $1 challenge, $5 challenge, saving challenge, and Christmas challenge. So these are the challenges that I'm going to start doing. Keep track of it twice a month inside of here. So I'll record all of my challenges and how much we saved in each one, and we'll just go from there. So for the Christmas challenge, I'm doing the Budget Moms 12-week challenge. So we're going to start with week 1 and week 2, and we're going to stuff that today. And then as well, I'm just going to throw this one in here. I'm actually going to put the Christmas challenge envelope first. And then, so our next challenge is going to be the 52-week challenge. I am going to stuff this today too as well. We are going to start off, let's see if I can zoom in on it. So we are going to stuff week 1 through 16. And then and then again we'll stuff the remaining weeks. So I will do stuff 2 weeks at a time after we stuff today's. So I'm just gonna close that up. And this one is called the Savings Challenge. So I'm gonna put this one right in here. The next one is going to be the $5 challenge. So I'm gonna slip this one right here. I already filled it out, and we will be stuffing that amount too. And let me grab the envelope for the $5 challenge. Next is going to be the $1 challenge. So every dollar that I have left over in my cash stuffing envelopes, I'm going to be bringing it over to here. And so I need to change that because I was going to start in April, but we're starting in May. So every dollar I'm going to fill in a little like peacock's feather. So I'm just going to put that in there. And then the last one is house to home. I want to save $5,000 for a new house, for deposit, for down payment. Did kind of structure this house to have a different amount, and once I get that amount, I'm going to color and the structure of the home until we get to 5,000. So I'm just going to slide this one in here. And then my dashboard is going to be this pretty girl right here. I'll leave the link to the shop that I purchased this. It was a digital copy and I did print it out and try to laminate it. My laminating kind of went crazy. You can see all the ripples in there, but I still love her and she's still going in here and I don't care. So we're just gonna slide her in. It says get lit. Okay, so let's start with May's challenge. So it says, make a word. How much can you save is completely random for this challenge. Step 1, cut out the squares. I have the squares. And then we're gonna, for the saving challenge on the 5th and the 20th of this month, pick 15 squares. From those 15 squares, build a 7-letter word. After your word is spelled, look at the dollar amount assigned to each letter, add up your dollar amount from your 7-letter word, and save that amount. So I did print out those squares. Let me just grab them. Okay, for all of them, let me stop. For this word, we are going to be doing a joy stick. So the amounts are on the bottom. I'm going to zoom in just so that you can see the amounts on each word. So $5, $10, $2, $5, $5, $10, $5, and $5. So let me bring up the camera just a little bit. And we are going to write down our word. So 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47. So I need to save $47, which I have it here, I hope. So 20, 40. I don't have sevens, one, so we're just gonna put 50. So I'm just gonna put here $50. So we're saving $50 on this challenge. I do have an envelope for it, so I will set this aside and put it inside the envelope for it. And then I'm going to put these words away for May 20th, and then we'll draw another one. So that's done. Okay, let me zoom back out. And then let's start with the Christmas challenge. Christmas challenge, we're gonna be doing week 1 and week 2. I get paid bi-weekly, so I get paid every 2 weeks. And so I'm gonna be doing this by 2 weeks. So we're gonna be putting away 25 and 20, which is gonna be a total of $45. So let's do it. So here's a 5. So we have $45. And let's move. So for the Christmas challenge, we are going to be putting away $45. Perfect. Next, we're going to do the savings challenge. Like I said, we are going to fill in all of the weeks that we didn't complete. At the end of this challenge, we're going to be saving a total of $1,378. So right now, we're going to stuff $136. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 6 ones, 1 10, and 120. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So we're saving $136 in this box. So I'm just gonna X out all of these ones, just letting me know that we have this saved. And then the next time I do film my budgeting update challenge binder, it's a long word, we will be doing week 17 and week 18. So let's put this in our savings challenge. So next is a $5 challenge. I put down that I had 6 fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, but I only have 5 fives. So I'm just gonna change this amount, both those amounts. Oh, 25. I don't like the way it looks. We're gonna use a whiteout because I don't like that scribble. So okay, so 25, and then the total was 25 for the $5 challenge. And then for the $1 challenge, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 ones, and I'm just gonna color them different colors. And I'm gonna use this one, and I'll change the date too as well. So to me. So I'm gonna color. I'm gonna zoom in real fast because I want to show you guys that they have numbers. Already in them. So I'm just gonna color 7 of these. Oh, I don't know how to color inside the lines. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. I'm gonna zoom back out so that the focus is a little better. Okay. And then I'm gonna put these back. And then for the $1 challenge, I'm just gonna slide this in here. So we have the Christmas challenge stuffed. We have the 52-week challenge stuffed. Now we have the $5 challenge stuffed. The $1 challenge is stuffed. Now we're gonna move on to house to home. So if you guys remember in my last video, or my last videos, I've been doing the saving challenge, and there's money already in here. I'm actually just going to transfer this money, all this money in here, over to home goals. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. So I have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. Put to side. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. Actually, so 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we have a total of 400. Sorry, guys. So I can fill in 400 little blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It gives us 400. I'm going to fill those in real fast. Just color them in on this house, and then I'm going to start saving house to home. So I'm going to speed up this part right here. Okay, perfect. So now we have 400. I am a visual person, so I am going to have a tracking, like a tracker on here too, because I'm a type of person that needs to read it, look at it and read it. So we're just gonna label this tracker house, and the date, we're gonna put 5/1, And then the amount that we added was $400. So now we have $400. And then I'm just gonna put this tracker and the money in here just so that I know how much where we're at and how much and where we're going. So like I said, our goal here is 5,000. So I'm just gonna stuff that in there. And then I'm gonna remove this one. And there you have it. So these are the challenges that I'm gonna be doing. I'm not gonna be doing too much craziness. I need to start saving for Christmas, like beefing up our Christmas Christmas envelopes. So that's why I'm doing that one. 52-week challenge is definitely doable if we're doing, you know, we start off with $1 a day, and the most we're going to be giving is $52 at the end of the year, so that's doable. I do want to complete this by the end of the year too as well. $5 challenges comes from any amount, any dollar or any $5 I have left over from my 2 weeks of spending when I do my cash stuffings, and so does the $1. That's where these $1 come from. And then the house to home, we're just whatever we have extra anywhere else, we're going to be putting it in here too as well. So we did that, and then we also did our May challenge for the Budget Mom. So love it. So we have it all pretty and set in here, and this is what I'm going to be using moving forward. I will be putting this inside of my May envelope, the $50 that we saved for the Budget Mom too as well. I'm actually just going to throw it in here so I don't forget. And then I'll have the envelope too. Perfect. If you guys like videos like this, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. If you guys have any questions on where I got anything or how I printed anything out, let me know in the comments box below. And until next time, bye guys.